Hurricane Irma may be breaking up. It's just a storm right now, but the impact profound. That's the Keys right there. You see that drone footage of the Florida Keys, probably hit hardest of anywhere in the United States.
But then overnight, Georgia, Alabama, and South Carolina got the brunt of the storm. And in Florida, well, thousands are trying their best to get back home. The recovery, as we know, just getting started.
And millions are still without power. And take a look at this satellite image showing Florida before the storm, then take a look at it after.
Oh, check that out right there. As you said, Michael, at least 6.7 million customers across 5 states without power. Death toll is climbing. At least 11 people have been killed by the storm in the U.S., 39 in the Caribbean. The cost of damages could climb as high as $92 billion.
And across the southeast, residents are dealing with record storm surge, flooding, and the aftermath. ABC's Lindsay Davis starts us off. She's in Jacksonville, Florida. Good morning, Lindsay.
Good morning, Robin. This is the St. Johns River right behind me, and yesterday it reached historic levels. So high, in fact, I think this one image really does a good job of telling the story. Take a look at where this boat ended up, smashed against the side of this building.
This morning, Jacksonville is seeing the worst flooding in nearly a century. 10 inches of rainfall along with massive storm surge is leaving the city swamped. More than 100 water rescues in this neighborhood along the St. Johns River. The National Guard is sending in deep water vehicles and boats to help with all the rescues.
In these neighborhoods where they can't necessarily get to, there's a lot of residents in here that's stranded.
Residents were told to evacuate Wednesday, but many chose not to go. Georgia and South Carolina are also dealing with record storm surge after taking a lashing by Irma's winds and rains. Outside Charleston, water spouts raged in from the churning seas as water gushed through the city, some parts waist deep.
It's impassable.
Streets filled with storm surge in less than 30 minutes, leaving this driver trapped. In Georgia, Irma knocked trees onto houses and cars. This video captures the moment a huge tree falls and this SUV slams right into it. And Irma's winds made for turbulent skies over Myrtle Beach. This Allegiant flight attempting to land drifted sideways due to the winds from Irma.
The good news here in Jacksonville, power is being restored quickly and the flooding is going down faster than expected.
This is appropriately East Battery, ready to go. That water, I can feel it coming inside the building. Woo! This is the ocean now. I'm at the beach by the Port Authority. These are ocean waves coming in. Completely covering up this picnic area over here almost. Woo! This is Colonial Lake at about 5 o'clock. Kayaks just rolling up to the houses. I mean, we're all in the lake right now. That was where the lake was, and well, here's where it is now. I fell over a little wall over here. That was funny. But yep, it's about knee deep.
No, but look at this one right here. And look over there with that white car and the blue car. Come over from there. That's right here.
Hello friends, just wanted to give you an update. I am currently in waist-high water walking to my apartment. Here's the city. I don't know. There's my brother and Kirsten. You see those waves crashing? That's my apartment. So just need to make sure that everything is okay. And this is crazy. I didn't think it would be this high. Alright. Pray for my Xbox.
Yeah, I know, baby. Look how high this water is.
This is ridiculous.
Front yard. What the fuck?